If you find it difficult to make fluffy and lumps-free semo, please watch till the end because I'm going to teach you the best method ever. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Put some water on fire and allow it to boil. I'm using Semovita flour. You can use semolina. I'm starting by using 1 cup because I'm trying to make for 3 people. So 1 cup of Semovita flour, add it to a bowl, then add some water to make the Semo flour slurry. This is the best method ever. It is tested and trusted. If you try it and it doesn't work, come back and tell me. I remember my history with Semo. It wasn't funny at all. In fact, I don't want to start here. So when you're done making this slurry, the water should have boiled by now. You take out some water for later. Then you go ahead and pour the slurry in the pot. I realized the water was too much, so I had to pour it like that. So going in with the slurry, you keep turning it at this point. Like you keep stirring till it thickens. You don't have to leave it, and you have to do this on a low heat. You keep turning it. You can see that it has thickened already. So now you go in with another cup of flour, Semo flour. You keep stirring gently. If you watch at this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you've not liked this video, please like and also tell me something sweet in the comment section. So I went in with the 3rd cup of flour. I didn't finish this one. So in total I used like 2.5 cup of Semovita flour to make this semo. Look at this texture, look at the way it looks. This is the perfect way to leave it. Don't add any more flour at this point. See the way it looks. Don't let it to be hard before you stop adding flour. It is okay like this. So you scrape the whole thing, then add the hot water you left the other time, just little. Then you cover it and allow it to cook on a low heat for 30 minutes. Sorry, did I say 30 minutes? No, for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes on a low heat. Just 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see the texture now. It's already giving. Let me say it that way. It's already giving. You won't even have difficulty in turning it, to be honest. And if you're not comfortable turning it on your cooker, you can bring it down and sit, then turn it properly. You can have your semo with any kind of soup, roll, okra and stew, any kind of soup at all. Please check my channel. I will drop the link for the Nigerian soup will be up here. The Nigerian soup that you can try this with will be up here. You can check it out and try. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like my video. When you like my video, or let me say when you like our videos, you're telling YouTube that you enjoy what you are doing, and when you comment, you're taking it a step further, and it will really help our content. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.